This 2026 Outdoors RV Creekside Titanium Series 19 MKS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Adamsburg, Pennsylvania, 15611 and is offered for sale by RV Leaders and Camping Outlet. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new outdoors RV is 24 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 2, Slideout, and 78 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features Murphy bed. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.